I have some brand new information proving that Dogecoin and cryptocurrencies are about to take off yet again. In this video, we are going to be talking and discussing about this and much more things you cannot miss. So make sure you watch the entire video. You cannot miss what I have in store for you today. What's up, Myles? It's ladies and gentlemen here. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you do not miss these time-sensitive videos about Dogecoin and cryptocurrencies where we call out huge plays way before they happen. If you want to get access to my profitable trade signals, when to buy and sell cryptocurrencies, join my Patreon for only $10 a month where you get access to my profitable trade signals. Yesterday, we bought Solana at super cheap. We made a killing on Solana, about 40% in a single day. We do this and much more almost every single day. You can message me anytime. We can build your portfolio. You can talk to me on the phone and much more. Also, join the Discord while it is free in my video's description. The link is there. So we are going to get started right now. We have so much very important things to talk about. So make sure you smash up the like button if you love Dogecoin and cryptocurrencies, and let me know your price targets for Bitcoin and Dogecoin the end of this week. How high do you think we will go? Because I think we will get back up to at least 30 cents for Dogecoin, Bitcoin possibly 51,000. And I'm also giving away 200 Doge to one person this weekend. All you have to do is like the video, subscribe to the channel, follow my Instagram and Twitter, and put Dogecoin giveaway in the comments. So here we have some important information from Sentiment just came out. Bitcoin traders are awaiting a rebound back in the unique addresses interacting on the Bitcoin network. A push up would be indicative that this current dip is just a blip on the way back to all-time highs. It's speaking about Bitcoin, but we know Bitcoin moves the market, so we know that this is speaking directly to Dogecoin. If we understand where Bitcoin is headed, what's happening with Bitcoin behind the scenes, we can understand before things happen the price and momentum of Dogecoin and where it will head to. So right now we saw a little bit of a price pullback the last couple of days because of that crash. But the Bitcoin active addresses, the crypto active addresses as well, are beginning to uptick, which means more people are joining the network. And when a bunch of people start to jump in, it also shows that people are buying the dip and that this price movement of us being down a little bit is not going to last very long. So we better get in and jump in, buy these dips. That's what this information is saying, buying these dips before things really take off again. Even more information. There's so many articles saying, look, buy the dip, guys. This is just my own opinion, not financial advice, but all of these news articles are saying, and these are experts, Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies, they're saying buy the dip. Things are about to move. Bitcoin price in line for impulsive bounce as Solana leads the altcoin surge. We're going to get to that in just a second, talk about Solana and the altcoins. But things are looking up for Bitcoin and altcoins on Thursday, which is today. So if we go into this guy drew up this chart, and based on this descending wedge or whatever type of pattern you want to call this, is a bullish flag. So what this trader is saying is, since we've bottomed out like we've called out on this channel the last several days, we're actually getting an uptrend since the bottom. And this pattern is being squeezed into a very small little area, which we have seen many times on this channel before. When we get squeezed into a small pattern, things are about to make a big move. And we're going to do that with technical analysis in just a few moments. But we're also seeing the altcoins recover as Solana passes $200. Amazing. We were able to buy Solana at $30, I believe. Some people were able to buy even cheaper in the Patreon earlier this year, and even the last several weeks we've been buying the heck out of Solana, making big profits. So here's the big news for the day. The Bitcoin metric that flipped green just before Bitcoin 50,000 price bull run is back. So there is a metric. This news article just came out. It's called the spent output profit ratio, is heavily hinting that hodlers should buy the dip on Bitcoin. So what they are saying based on this metric is that this is very, very good news for the bulls. It's very good news for us. We're bulls. We're bullish. We want things to go up. We want green things. And this metric right here is saying buy the dip. This is not going to last long. things are about to move in a very, very big way. Last year, exactly 1 year ago, if you look at the Bitcoin chart, you saw a 20% correction. That's a pretty massive drop. I personally had Bitcoin at that time. I witnessed that drop. But what happened right after that was the massive bull run, which brought us, Bitcoin is around $12,000. It went to like 9,000. Then at that point, went straight up to basically $17,000 in a very, very short period of time. So the same move happened 1 year ago exactly. And do not be afraid. Do not let these market manipulators, do not let these whales scare you, because things are extremely bullish, more bullish than ever. So this SOPR is a classic buy signal for many traders, and a lot of people, a lot of the big institutions, a lot of the big whales, they pay attention greatly to these technical signals. 70% of cryptocurrencies are held by institutions, and these people that are in these institutions that trade Bitcoin, they do it every single day. They trade Bitcoin left and right. They trade Bitcoin based on technical analysis 100% of the time. They're not just like, oh, things might flip bearish, let's go ahead and sell. No, they look at metrics, they look at what's going on behind the scenes. All the information that I'm showing to you on this channel, this is the same information that the whales use. So with the information that I provide you on this channel, which is why you should subscribe with notifications on, is so you do not miss these signals, so that we are swimming with the whales. We are making the same moves as them and outsmarting the average Joe. But let's take a look at CoinMarketCap. What's happening? So cryptos are in the green today. Congratulations. Solana is up 30% the last 24 hours. The last week, Solana is up 80%. This is absolutely crazy. But Solana had a nice dip. So I think that Solana is still a good buy, in my opinion. We'll be definitely talking about that more in the Patreon. But Bitcoin 47,000. We have Ethereum almost $3,600, up 5%. Cardano up 10%. Guys, look, ladies and gentlemen, Cardano is number 3. Have you guys noticed this? Cardano is number 3, up 10%. We have Solana up 30%, XRP up 3%. So XRP is slowly climbing back up. Dogecoin looking very healthy. We're up 5%. We're outperforming Ethereum from the bottom. Polkadot up 8%. Things are looking good in the charts, ladies and gentlemen. If you want a good platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies, use my WEBULL link if you sign up and deposit $100. Using my link, they'll send you 2 free stocks worth up to $4,000, which you can immediately sell or send to your bank account. Altcoin season index. We are now strongly approaching the altcoin season index, the altcoin season. And what this means is that Bitcoin is being outbeat by the altcoins. This is including Solana, Cardano. People are going crazy for altcoins right now, and this is very good. So Dogecoin is kind of, just following the crypto market, right? But I think that Dogecoin this year is going to have at least one more massive pump, one more massive move to the upside, which will potentially bring Dogecoin to $1.50, $1.30. I think easily to be able to surpass $1. Dogecoin would have continued past $1 way back, a couple of months back, but we had all of that FUD, all of the China news that crashed cryptocurrencies. So if that did not happen, if all that China stuff didn't happen, we had Elon Musk tweeting, I think cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin would probably be 100,000. We would have Dogecoin probably 80 cents, 90 cents, maybe $1. Things would have been extremely bullish, but all of that FUD, all of the market crash scared the retail investors that pushed the prices up. They're now out of the market. A lot of those people are still out of the market, but they will come back. Elon Musk will come back on Twitter. Elon Musk is working behind the scenes. Instead of tweeting and pumping up Doge, he's actually working behind the scenes to make Doge better, to make Doge one of the best cryptocurrencies. And he's helping to get some of the best minds in crypto together, which is happening right now to do that, to make that to happen. So once that news gets released for the Doge to Ethereum bridge and all these other Dogecoin news and events that will be happening later this year, especially in the hype of the bull run, I think that Dogecoin will see another crazy massive spike here in the future. What do you all think about that? Do you agree with that in the comments? Yes or no? So crypto fear and greed index, now we are in fear. So people are a bit fearful, and we know the best time to buy is when people are fearful. With all of these signals that I've showed you earlier in this video, it shows you that people are buying. The whales are buying right now. They are accumulating. Retail investors, they are scared. They are on the sidelines. So who do you want to be? Do you want to swim with the whales, or do you want to swim with the retail investors? So let's get to some technical analysis. So ever since my video yesterday, we said, look, we're forming an inverse head and shoulders, which we are seeing play out perfectly 100%. So the next move we know with the head and shoulders as we're approaching this level of resistance, and look at this. This movement is getting smaller and smaller, and eventually it's going to pop. Something big is going to happen here very soon, and I'm thinking this week. Look at Bitcoin, almost 47. We just came under 47,000. Bitcoin looking very good. We're forming that inverse head and shoulders, which is a bullish reversal signal. But what's going on with Solana? So Solana hit $220. This is just absolutely crazy. I would not be surprised if we got a little bit of a pullback, probably to this level of support, which should be about $189, which we are nearly approaching that. Most likely going to continue this crazy bull run. But remember, you don't really want to buy something after it's pumped up so much. You can, if you're willing to risk it. It's very risky, but also it could pay off for you. This thing is in an uptrend and it is not breaking. After that major crash, we ended up breaking all-time highs in a single day. So that is extremely bullish. I've never seen something so bullish in my entire life. So that might be a continued signal for you to continue, maybe consider buying it. Solana is going to continue to go up unless something drastically happens, but we are pretty much overextended at this point for Solana. So maybe just have patience and wait for a big retracement all the way down to 147, 150, 160, 170. Those would be good entries for Solana, which I think in the future will definitely be able to hit those numbers. It will retrace down. The matter is when. But Dogecoin looking very bullish, inverse head and shoulders. And here we have a level of resistance, right? And we are slowly approaching this level of resistance, meaning that our channel is getting tighter and tighter. Look at this. We start from here and we're just getting tighter and tighter and tighter and tighter. And eventually once we get to this line right here, which is a level of resistance, we'll probably get a big pop, most likely bring us back to 30 cents. If you got something out of the video, make sure you share this video with some of your friends and family. Smash up the like button, blow up the comment section. I'll see you later.